Welcome back everyone to our distance learning program from American Bridge International School. So today's lesson teacher will teach all of you about two subjects. The first subject will be the Hangout 5 and for the second session will be the Grammar Galaxy 2. So everyone, today's lesson will be teaching all of you on the unit 1. So today we will practice about the some of the exercise practice in this video as well. Okay, and one more thing is tomorrow, as we know already, that we're gonna have the quiz. Okay, so please be well prepared. And one more thing is for the quiz, I have only one video lesson for all of you, and for another video is for the review. Okay, and this is what happened for tomorrow. Okay, and today let's start on our page 10 together. And this is about the review section regarding to the words that you have already studied. What else? What are the words that you have studied? So there are 12 words that you studied yesterday. Hope you still remember this word. Right, now let's read the word with me together. This one we call flour, flour, sugar, sugar, oven, oven, bowl, bowl, knife, knife, pan, pan. This one, whisk, whisk, stir, stir, mix, mix, heat, heat, salt, salt, chili, chili. Very good, everyone. Okay, so today let's continue the lesson together. So we will work on part A. So the part A, what we are going to practice is, so you will look and listen to the conversation. So this conversation is between Danielle and Matteo, and you know what? They will discuss on how to make muffin. Do you know muffin? What is muffin? Actually, muffin is a kind of, it's a kind of cake, and then actually it's so sweet that made from chocolate and with the flour as well. And today you will learn how to cook the muffin as well. And now let's enjoy the conversation together between Danielle and Matteo. Now let's start.
A. Look and listen.
These muffins are going to be delicious.
I hope so. What does the recipe say to do next?
Next, whisk the flour, sugar, and eggs together.
Okay, and after that?
After that, add the chocolate to the bowl.
Yum! I love chocolate.
Finally, put it in the oven. Then we have to wait.
How long do we have to wait?
The recipe says 20 minutes.
What do you want to do while we wait?
Let's look for another recipe. We can make cookies or a cake next time.
Great idea. I love cookies.
Okay, everyone, so after you listen to the conversation already, and now let's talk about the conversation and also the picture, which is on page 10 together. So as what you can see the picture on page 10, yeah. So this is these are two people. They are making a muffin. So they are Danielle and Matteo. Okay, can you guess, everyone, where are they right now? So right now they are in a kitchen and they are making a muffin. Okay, as we already know that muffin is a kind of chocolate cake, as what you can see in the picture as well. Yeah, it looks delicious. And do you like eating muffin? Yep. So muffin is a kind of sweet because actually it made from, it has the ingredient, like it is sugar. Okay, it has sugar, eggs, what else? Flowers, chocolate. So all of these are sweet, right? So yeah. If you eat something sweet, so you should drink more water or a lot of water because it can help you to increase the levels of sugars in your blood as well. Okay, this is what it is. And now let's talk about the conversation together. So in the conversation, do you have any difficult words, everyone, in the conversation? So I just want to tell you one word, maybe a new word for all of you as well. So it is the word recipe. Okay, yeah, you see what I circled is the word recipe. What is recipe? What does recipe in the conversation mean? For example, like if you want to cook something, like in the conversation, they cook the muffin, they make muffin. So you make sure that you have to make sure that you need to read all the instructions and all the informations in the food that you are going to cook. Okay, this is what we call recipe. So recipe will tell you about how to cook something. Example, like if you want to make muffin, they will tell you first you need to, like in the example, first you need to do what? Yeah, you need to whisk the flour, sugar, eggs together. So this is what the recipe says, right? And after that, they will say another sentence like add the chocolate to the bowl. Okay, so this is the way that like the recipe says, or also what the recipe is. Okay, now you understand about the word recipe. So in this video, we have learned about the new word, which is about the word recipe. Okay, so you will find out the word recipe in many cooking ingredient or cooking food. Yeah, so you will see that instruction or information as well if you are buying some kind of food at the supermarket. Okay, and all right. Okay, so now let's back to the conversation. Yeah, so this conversation is there are two people, they are talking about cooking muffin, right? Okay, and by the way, in order to make the muffin done, they also need to wait for 20 minutes. Yeah, and in part A, we have completed already, and now let's move on to another section, which is in part B. Okay, so in part B, what you will do is you need to listen and say the word together.
B. Listen and say. Number 1.
Flour,
Number 2.
sugar,
Number 3.
oven,
Number 4.
bowl,
Number 5.
whisk,